In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone's LED flash when you receive a text message or get a phone call. When you enable this feature, your iPhone's camera flash will blink as a notification. This is helpful if you keep your device on silent and out of your pocket, like on your desk. To enable the flash alerts on your iPhone, first open the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down a little bit and then select Accessibility. Next, scroll down into the Hearing section below. Inside of this section, tap Audio Visual. Now, I always like to know exactly where all these features are located, but you can also get here with a shortcut by searching in the Settings app. Back at the main settings page, just head all the way back to the top until you see the search bar, and then search Flash Alerts. You'll then see the shortcut to the same menu that we were just at. Back inside of the Audio Visual menu, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see LED Flash for Alerts. Tap the slider on the right to enable the feature. Now when you receive a text or call, the light on your iPhone will then automatically flash. This will only work by default though if you have your iPhone off of silent. If you do have your iPhone on silent though, and you want the light to flash, then head back into the menu and make sure that the second option, Flash on Silent, is also enabled. Now, no matter if your iPhone is on silent or not, when you receive a call or a text message, you'll get the LED flash alert. And that's how you make your iPhone flash when you get a text message or when someone calls you.